Birds fly high. It amazes me to see birds fly in the sky, high above, building, trees, mountains for miles. The varieties are endless, feathered wings in flight. What does it feel like to jump and take off, soaring high above the ground, looking down and around at things from that angle, elevated? The bird's stance could be somewhat proud, knowing the advantage, strut the neck, quick movements, and very alert. A pleasure to watch and hear. Simple chirps of songs unknown, morning sounds to wake me. Birds fly high, up above, feathered wings in flight.